This video is to show you how to use the find and replace function in Microsoft Excel. So we're still working with our foot and mouth disease data. This is the original data and I've saved it as version 2 so that I can edit without losing the original data set that I was given. So we're going to look at the supergroup name today. I've got data filtering turned on. You can see that we've got the little buttons next to each column name. We're going to look down at the supergroups and see how they're coded. It can be beneficial for your data to be coded in as simple and short codes as possible while making sure it's still clear what that column is representing. So here we've got a supergroup called Hereford and neighbouring county, and it might be simpler for us to record that as Hereford. So what we're going to do is we've got the Home tab on the ribbon at the top, and we're going to come along to this side where you can see it says Find and Select. If we open this menu, we've got a function called Replace. So we're going to open that. Now what this brings up is that we have the option of what we want to find and what we want to replace it with. So in this case, we're interested in Hereford and neighbouring counties. It's very important that you use exactly the same spelling when you enter what you want to find, because it's searching for an exact character string match. If you put an extra space at the end, you won't find what you're looking for. So if you're having issues with this, sometimes it can be helpful to actually select one of the cells that has what you're looking for, copy that text string, and then you can paste that in here to make sure that you've got an exact match. And we want to replace that with just Hereford, which is simpler. It's important to have the column that you want to work in selected before you start finding and replacing things. And this makes sure that Excel is only going to look in that particular column for the value that you've asked it to. We can find values that have an exact match to what we're wanting to find, and then we can press this replace button to replace them. And it will continue to find the next one, and we can say, yes, that looks right, and replace that. Yes, that looks right, replace that. Once we're happy that our find and replace is finding what we want and replacing it how we want, then we can click replace all and it will go right through your data and replace everything you're looking for.